This is the sound drop. To operate the sound drop, you'll need to connect it to a power adapter directly, or it can be connected via other garage smart accessories, such as the spotlight or park assist. See our power adapter video here to understand how many products can be connected to one power adapter. If you already have SmartTrack, you can mount the sound drop using the universal mount, or to drywall using the included screws. If you need help finding your studs, see our stud finding video here. And before installing any SmartTrack, please view our mounting guidelines video here to safely install your SmartTrack and the products you will mount to it. To mount to drywall, use the included paper template to make marks for your screws. Use a screwdriver to insert your screws, as a drill could strip the holes. The screws should stick out 1/4 of an inch for proper mounting. Remove the universal mount and plug the DC cable into either end of the inputs on the back. Then mount the sound drop to the screws. Plug the DC cord into your nearest power adapter or garage smart accessory. Once connected to power, the sound drop will beep, indicating that it is ready to be used. Turn on the Bluetooth settings in your smart device and pair it to the sound drop. Once paired, it will beep again. That's it, you're now ready to use the sound drop. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And remember to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.